So after destroying this poor guy, let's do a proper mastering for this beautiful lyric and beautiful song. I wanna do some bus compression here. I have a different approach to bus compression, and it's not like using one plugin and that's it. Yes, there are some of beautiful and great plugins for mastering are capable and enough with enough features, but I usually use 2 or 3 compressors on the mastering. So the one of them is LA-2A from Universal Audio. So one of them is this, either compressor or limiter. Both of them, each one of them on different cases are useful, sometimes on limiter, sometimes on compressor. You may load 2 of them, one on limiter mode, one on compressor mode. I have used FET compressors on mastering too. Let's go crazy and use this FET compressor too. So this one is going to act like a limiter with very low gain reduction. This one is going to act like a glue compressor on compressor mode. It's enough. It is really really enough. So first let's engage. Which one is first? LA-2A is first. Let's engage this guy. People never stop. People never stop. What? People never. It goes crazy. Oh, okay. Okay. Some people never stop knocking until they knock down the door. You get the feeling there's no way they're stopping. Ain't what they came here for. Some people never stop. Wait, there is a limiter. Oh God, I'm losing my mind. Some people never stop knocking until they knock down the door. You get the feeling there's no way they're stopping. Ain't what they came. I don't like this overcompression quality. Why does it overcompress? Some people never stop knocking until they knock down the door. You get the feeling there's no way they're stopping. Ain't what they came here for. Some people never stop going until they've gone too far. They tell you it's for the best, but you know it's bound to. So it has tighter low end. I'm not really happy with this compressor. Any other tube compressor or limiter that I have used, not from Waves and apparently not from Universal Audio, they sound good when you are trying to get some mastering functionality out of them. So let's stick to this time. Some people never stop knocking. It's not bad. It's just not what I wanted it to be. Why there's 2 projects? Now the FET compressor. So what it does is a little bit complicated. Actually it's simple, but it's complicated when you want to approach it. It is going to add color, some peak limiting, like acting like a almost, let's say, clipper with extremely or almost slow, almost fast attack, enhancing higher frequencies. So FET compressors could be used on mastering with mind, not with stomach. So you should think about it and use it wisely. Some people never stop knocking until they knock down the door. You get the feeling there's no way they're stopping. Ain't what they came here for. Some people never stop going until they've gone too far. They tell you it's for the best. Some Let's go for chorus. Till now, I'm hearing some summing up quality for higher frequencies. It's like using like a multiband compressor and saturation at the saturator at the same time. It's controlling and enhancing higher frequencies, and it's sounding great. It has its own soul injected into this song. So this 1176 FET compressor from Universal Audio is an amazing tool here. You could use it with high ratios, but be careful because you might hear overcompression. It's like a real accurate happening something. When it is on -1 dB gain reduction, it is cool, but when it's going a little bit to left, a little bit toward left, it's starting to sound overcompressed. So this is important to keep in mind. It adds a little bit of more punch and presence to drums too. When it's enhancing vocal enhancement starts from 2 or 3K till higher frequencies. When it enhances vocal, of course it would enhance drums too. It's tightening up drum, adding some FET saturation to it, a beautiful FET saturation, and that's it. So the gluing process is not just with one plugin. You could use only one plugin, but it is not a hard written rule on some stone. It's on your hands, and you can go creative and discover new possibilities like I have done here. I actually worked with another FET compressor. Once upon a time, it was Avid, whatever, I don't recall the name. It was for Pro Tools, and it was a Blackie. It sounded amazing on mastering, and I really loved it. But that wasn't so versatile. This 1176 is so much more versatile than that guy, that I don't recall its name. It was smaller, black, a little bit more classic design, and something like that. So my friends, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more.